Get ready for a surprise!
It's weird because I used to get it, and I rarely get it now.
Oh, you wanker!
Oh, well done, you idiot!
I know you're caught by a red light.
Yep.
Oh, aren't you a special kind of fuckwit?
Oh, good one, you dick.
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yarn or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a elbow bub. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. Wankers want.
Jesus, I'm getting sick and tired of saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week.
So far 19 overs, no 20 overs, 10 maidens, 2 for 21, but Spark 13 overs, none for 52. Finished up.
Fucking idiot!
Fucking
idiot!
Test.
Fucking madman!
Going back negative. But we had to isolate until we got the negative.
Yes, well. Unfortunately, some people didn't. Fuckwit.
Wow, okay. Not.
Fuck him too. Flashes the fuck and just pulls out. Flashes the fuck and just pulls out anyway.
Yeah, well, he pulled out from the side street. There's a car park, so he couldn't see.
Now
so
he looks like he's going to chase us.
So he couldn't see anything. So he assumed.
Yeah, it looks like he's going to have his fucking road rage shit.
Well, you pulled out without looking. Your problem.
Yep, here he comes.
That's such an idiot. Oh dear. That's such an idiot.
What time did we leave?
Like 8:30.
1 hour.
Yeah, like half an hour each way about, I reckon.
Good on you, you fucking idiot. You
dickhead.
Block file.
Dickhead.
Block
It
file.
comes out in the same fucking lane. Fucking stooge. See the bridge they're building over the top here?
Yeah.
That's going to go over to the left-hand side of the city. And you're going to see it's behind me, dumb fuck. Oh, nice.
Block file.
Le dieron teta chupa. ¿Y este? Bravo, hijo de puta.
Manual recording on.
Es como otro nivel socioeconómico, que compraban mucha carne. Lo que era. ¿Y este? Jesus Christ, todo el mundo se está comiendo las luces. Bien.
Send him off. And he's a vital time-wasting cog in their pissing annoying machine. But I think we need pissing annoying machine. But I think we need to probably address.
You need Jesus fucking Christ, you fucking sorry, not you. Fucking fucking moron with a fucking bloody trailer cuts me fucking off.
Just one bit.
Jesus.
The stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign.
Forward, and also looking at potentially midfield reinforcement, and additionally there's an idea that if they get a takeout from Divock Origi.
Oh, what happened there?
It was green for us, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was green.
Son más desordenados que la puta madre que los parió.
Manual recording on.
Parkway.
You gotta be shitting me!
Go. Fucking double white lines.
One eternity later.
Holy shit.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a knack for making things better.
Stop! You fucking idiot!
Yes.
0402. Oh yeah. Like you're not gonna. Fucking hell.
No, if they were going to change Elias's gimmick, I'm in favor of that. Apparently they didn't like...
Someone tell this cop up here he's failing to keep left unless overtaking. It's an 90k zone, he's in the right lane, and the lane next to him's empty. Who the fuck are you overtaking? No, can't do that either. You got ass hat, hobo, queef. Is it 1, 2? You cannot lane filter between parked cars and the other line of traffic.
W started. That's going to be a big topic up there.
Hey, I'll tell you what.
They get their news 2 years late? What the hell is that?
You know what? When we first moved to Louisiana in 1984, Dennis Conley said the Eagles were the hottest band on the radio.
The fuck are you doing?
The Eagles. But they weren't the hottest band in the land in 1984.
They were broken up for 4 years in 1984.
Girl Scout cookies.
Look at this genius. I don't know if moving the camera is gonna do much. Oh, these geniuses who pack loads on trucks and then what has happened here? Oh no. Nice packing job. Almost. Bitch. The fuck are you doing? Yeah, fuck you. We've got Bogan Wingnut 61 Moron Eugene. Car's turning, he decides to go down the inside and then he just cut me the fuck off. Not even an indicator, not a give way. Piece of shit. Shit. Oh, you fucking retard. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
You couldn't find it in your dictionary.
Is that what I looked up before? Because that was still puzzling me.
I think so.
Well, nevertheless, it's all free of all that stuff. So if you don't want products with stuff in it that you don't know what the fuck it is, you get the Manscaped stuff because it's free of that.
In those seats, and every now and again you see a little head popping up over the top, and that's where Doug was shooting out very proper. I think Doug would have liked to have got his gun out. Is it just an hour ballot?
What a fucking retard. Jesus. Good work, dickhead. Fucking moron. Seriously, man.
Eagle 20. Box 2.
Accept no imitations. Wild turkey.